Hello everyone, today I will show you how to clear RAM on iPhone. Here's how it is done. Step 1. Open the Settings app. Start by unlocking your iPhone and navigating to your Settings app, the gray icon that looks like a gear. This is where all the core system options are housed. Step 2. Go to General Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. This section contains a variety of device level settings, including software updates, storage, and device shutdown options. Step 3. Scroll to the bottom and tap Shutdown. Inside the general menu, scroll all the way to the bottom of the screen until you see the Shutdown option. Tap on it. Your iPhone will now show a screen with a slide to power off slider. This is the key step. Many users assume there is a built-in clear RAM button somewhere in settings, but iPhones don't include that option. However, powering off your iPhone manually clears the active memory or RAM, which can resolve performance issues like lag, stuttering, or app crashes. That's everything to know about how to clear RAM on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.